Welcome to Accountants World training on blogging to advance your practice. Blogs are a great semi-informal tool to collaborate with your clients and prospects on the internet. Today, we'll provide a blog overview, discuss one way to set up a free blog, and how to add the blog to your accountant's practice online. What's a blog? Well, basically, blog is short for weblog. In simple terms, a blog is a less formal website where you post information about various topics on an ongoing basis. And you can even allow visitors to interact by adding comments to your posts. And blogs are an important part of the next wave of the internet, termed social networking. YouTube, Facebook, and MySpace are also good examples of social networking sites. Why blog? Well, you could post articles you've written, post presentations you've delivered, discuss community service events, offer tax tips, document office procedures, add new hire announcements, add news about tax and accounting small businesses, promote your clients' businesses, and even add training videos. Some of the benefits of blogs include client education, collaborating in new ways with clients and prospects. Blogs will help you get new clients, and they'll help keep your staff informed. And blogs are also indexed by search engine crawlers, meaning they're searchable on the internet. So web visitors may find your blog, link back to your website, and then hopefully contact you for an engagement. Some of you may have seen political blogs, sports blogs, and there are blogs for hundreds of thousands of topics. Google has a special blog search. Give it a try at blogsearch.google.com. Now, the benefit of using blog search is that you can get access to the latest posts on your topic. Simply select to search by the date published, and you could subscribe to your favorite blogs and even get an email announcement when a new post is available to read. Let's move on to how to set up a blog. Google recently purchased Blogger.com for a tidy sum because Google understands the power of social networking and collaborating on the internet. Their blog setup is straightforward and very automated, but it does require some basic web skills. To get started, you will need a Google account. Either create an account at google.com or log into Google if you have an established account. Then select Blogger under My Services. You'll be directed to Blogger.com. At Blogger.com, you create your blog, and you can have multiple blogs within one account. You'll complete your profile, you'll tweak a few settings, including whether or not to allow visitors to post comments. Then you'll add your posts. Your blog is ready. Then finally, you want to market your blog by creating a custom page on your website to link to your blog, and we'll take a look at some other marketing ideas shortly. Let's take a closer look at this process. To begin, go to google.com, log in, and select My Account. Under My Products, select Blogger. Complete the blog registration form, including the title of your blog, and yes, it can be changed at any time. Then create your blog address, and I recommend you use your website address as part of the blog address. In this case, my website address is my web domain, therefore my blog will be my web domain.blogspot.com. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a template, and once the registration is complete, you'll be given access to the blog dashboard where you can manage your posts, settings, template, and layout. Let's begin with an overview of some key settings. On the Basic tab, verify your blog title and add or update your description. This is a great place to add keywords that you would expect blog readers to search for: accounting, tax tips, SOX, etc. On the Comments tab, select whether or not you want to have visitors add comments to your articles. On the Permissions tab, you can add additional authors and or restrict access. This is great if you want to have a staff-only blog or if you want to have a client-only blog. Next, we'll move into some layout settings. To create a layout for your template, select Layout from the Blogger dashboard. You're presented with a default layout. Then you can add or remove modules by selecting Add a Page Element. You can then browse through a host of elements to choose from, including pictures, slideshows, Google AdSense. You could add HTML for affiliate programs, polls, logos, profile, and more. Then save and preview your blog. Next, you want to add posts to your blog. You can use the built-in editor in blogger.com to add a new post. Simply select New Post, add your title and article. Then you select whether or not you want readers to be able to add comments, and you can also moderate comments previously written about your article. You can also send an email to update your blog. And you can even post to your blog from your mobile phone. Your phone will need internet access and email enabled. This is also a great way to send a video directly from your phone to your blog. You can even create a document in Google Docs, which is Google's word processor, that will auto-post to your blog. To do that, when you log into Google, select Documents, create a new document, or edit an existing document. When you're done editing, select Publish. Then you'll be able to publish your document. First-time users, however, will have to select Change your blog site settings. This is a one-time setup where you'll add your blog provider, your username and password, and then you could test the connection. Once this is done, you'll be able to publish your blog within one click. Now, once the blog's completed and you've added some posts, you want to let your clients know. So you may want to create a custom page on your website to provide a blog overview to visitors. To do that, go to Website Management, select Design Website, and add a page. Tell the visitors the intent of the blog on this custom page, and then create a link to the blog. You could see my demo at AOOdemo.com and click on My Blog. In addition, you can send an email broadcast from your accountant's office online. In the online office area, select Email Broadcast. You can paste in the body of the email and include a link to your blog. Then simply select the clients you wish to send this to, and then click Send. Before you get started creating your own blog, I recommend you spend a few minutes at my sample blog at aoodemo.blogspot.com. To begin, let's review my blog layout. There's a title area on top and an expandable blog archive on the right bar. This is followed by my picture and my credentials, and I've added an HTML element to post an Amazon eStore, or you can add Google AdSense links if interested and certainly optional. Down the center are the main blog postings. I have an article that'll link you to some sample accounting blogs through Google Blog Search. I've added a training video that I posted at YouTube. And this is followed by a number of articles that I've written. And on the bottom I have a footer with a link back to my website and other contact information. On the top of the blog there is a search box, and I have an interesting article that I wish to find on W-2s. This is a great article to advise your clients to check their W-2s closely before their tax appointment. I would even recommend you broadcast email an article of this type to your clients to introduce your blog and invite them to visit your blog for other great information. Lastly, remember to update your blog on a regular basis. This is worth repeating. remember to update your blog on a regular basis. Today, we provided some forward-thinking practices to advance your practice. Blogging can be a key differentiating factor to turn web visitors into clients and keep your current clients and staff on top of industry issues. And if you start blogging, please add me to your blog list. That's Bob T at AccountantsWorld.com. So what are you waiting for? Get blogging, and best wishes for a great year ahead.